Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can clear files and also cache on CapCut. So here I've already opened the CapCut apps, and to clear the cache on the apps, you just need to go to the settings page by clicking on the gear icon at the top right corner, this one. And here just scroll down until you find the clear cache option. So this is my cache file is quite big. You can just click on this and there will be a pop-up question. So if you want to clear the cache, it won't delete your draft, so you can just click on OK. Now it's clearing, and now the cache has been cleared. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.